For our combination today, we're going to take to our turned out, the direction of our turnout, okay? So this is kind of a jazz adapted version of the ballet concept of a la seconde towards the second position. In jazz, we're going to use, like I said, a little bit less turnout. We're going to just slide same direction we've established. I'll count you in and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and slow so that you can really feel and be deliberate about the breaking down of the foot. 2 sets of that on the right side, 2 times on the left. Then we'll break down the rhythm, so we'll have 2 counts out, 2 counts in, times 4, right and left. Then that same rhythm of the feet, we're going to add the arms in a ballet-inspired port de bras, which means carriage of the arms, or a term that we use to refer to arm movements in many styles of dance. And it's going to be a continued fluid movement. So this introduces that concept of polyrhythm that is a big part of jazz dance technique. So one part of the body is working at one rhythm while another part of the body is working at another rhythm. So it's not only a chance to strengthen the arm movements, but to dial into that musicality skill of jazz dancing. Then we'll keep the same port de bras at the same timing, but we'll break down the rhythm of the tendu one more time. 1 beat, 1 beat, 1 beat, 1 beat, etc., etc. We'll do that on both sides. Then we'll take a few counts to regroup, and we'll do the same process, keeping the leg turned out, but taking the tendu right to the front of the nose on each side. I'll do it with you.
Happy for notes, 'cause I love my friends and my opponents. You were still the same as me, only I enhance it. Magic lives in this sacred moment. I am here and I'm still free. See my flames still dancing, my eclipsing for your enjoyment. Feel this conscious energy, enemies romancing. Life is better when you're open. Live today, if only for one moment. The light of your life is everywhere. Live today, if only for one moment. The light of your life is everywhere. I am not the son of your imagination, yet the sun to your harmony and brighter places. Oh, I am just a higher tangible dimension, yet I'm roaming round this walking life with sweet intention. Darkness can't survive within this light of presence. Hold on to the moment like you truly meant it. Oh, take a break from everything with no exception. Just to lie amongst the